Hi, it's Candace, one mom with a plan, and we invite you along for our travel adventures from the planning to the destination. Today we're exploring Ijams, so the heart of Knoxville right here, some great trails. Let's go check it out.
Wondering if thousands of miles away the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Da-dun-dun-dun. Oh, today I am time traveling.
So we are here at the visitor center, and Tanner has already spied Navitat, which is the canopy adventure that they have here. So he's super excited. Wasn't something that I thought we were going to be doing today, but you know what? We might just be doing that. So we're going to go in and check out the gift shop. All right, let's go check it out. Hey. Thanks, Addison. Very cool. So we are here at Ijams Nature Center. We are inside the gift shop. I know, I see it. Isn't that fun? Oh, goodness. There's an eagle over there. There's food. There's a bunch of things to go see. This is their gift shop area. I love how they have the animals carved into the wood. So this is their fun gift shop area here at Ijams Nature Center, which is just real fun. We're excited about the day that we're gonna spend hiking around and checking out what they have to offer here at Ijams. This is free to the public, so this is something that doesn't cost anything, but just talk about a very, very cool experience. Oh, what a fun area for the kiddos. Very, very cool. So we're inside the visitor center. We're gonna head into what looks like an area for us to explore called the Ijams Exhibit Hall. What did you find?
I found a red spotted newt. He's moving. He's moving.
Where's he at?
He's in the dark now.
There he is.
Oh, I see a turtle. There's a turtle, a black rattlesnake.
Tadpoles and snakes. Ooh, hello.
Those are the good ones, the little black ones. Don't want to have one, but look at our mask.
That's right. I'm all on board with letting them be as well.
Yeah, don't worry about it, because I'm not going near it.
That's kind of how I feel about everything that we find outside, as long as it's minding its own business.
Oh, there's a turtle.
Ah, look at him. What is Dolly saying? Dolly would appreciate it if you didn't throw things at Shalene's tank. Yeah. Not Jolene, Shalene. That's fantastic. We've just come inside the visitor center, and right inside for the kiddos, they have a bunch of different scavenger hunts here that you can take a part of, which is also fun. So we are off here so far to go on a hike. We are going to find our way next to the river, and from there we're going to go try and find the keyhole today. So up the bridge, as the rains had washed out part of one of the trails here, so this is the best way to go to get started. And to the trails we go. So we've just come across the bridge here, and we're gonna head up Tower Trail, and we're taking the Tower Trail today to get to the river boardwalk. So here we go.
Let's go. I think I want.
There's nothing like a pile of dirt to get the girls excited about climbing. It's like their own little mountain in the middle of the Ijams Trail. So we're starting to walk along the river here. So H.P. Ijams and his wife, Alice, purchased 20 acres of land along the river in 1910 to be able to build a place to raise their 4 girls. And we're out here enjoying this piece of property today that is now grown to hundreds of acres. I think over 300 acres actually is what it's grown to now. And we're thankful that they purchased the land and have since donated it so that we can be out here enjoying it today.
Hey, Mom, there's a TV. Yeah. Oh, and here's a place for you to sit. Right here. Oh,
Well, that's pretty cool.
let's go in it. Yeah.
So one of the things that the Ijams family did is they were integral to the creation of the local Girl Scouts here, and they actually donated part of their property in 1923 to the local Girl Scouts and created Camp Mary Ijams along the river. Pretty cool fact.
Okay, I'll hold on.
As we're making our way to the river as a part of the river trail, and we've made it down to the Tennessee River. Gorgeous day, gorgeous view. And there we go. We have made it to the river boardwalk. So we're gonna go check it out today. We're excited.
Big step up. What's that? Big step up, you know.
What did you find?
Pirate's hideout?
A pirate's hideout, you think?
No, because look in there.
Ooh.
Yeah, I think that's a pirate's hideout. No, because look right there. There's benches. No, and there's like a step up there. There's a bench.
That's a fence to keep people from coming back in that cave, but that's pretty
How
cool.
would they climb in there first?
Because it's a pirate's hideout.
Looks like a pirate's hideout. Oh, oh, oh. Is that another part of it? Look at that! Look at it! Someone's glittering. Look at that tree that fell in the water. That tree had to fall in the water. Oh, do you see that tree that fell in the water?
This is so cool. Such a great way to get out. If you're visiting Knoxville, or even if you live here, just a stroll along the river. This boardwalk is a really fun way to go about doing that. So we've just made it across the street from the Ijams Center to the Ijams Quarry. So it's a great place. Individuals are out here paddleboarding, they're out here swimming, they're tubing, floating, swimming. Just having a great time. It's a great day for it. Plenty hot and the water looks fantastic. So Ijams Quarry, a great free public place just to come grab that paddleboard from River Sports. Get out there and kayak and just enjoy the day and cool off. So we have just left the beer garden Although we didn't partake today. Would have been a nice cool off spot. And we are headed to the urban wilderness to Emery's. So we're gonna go find that keyhole. Off the trail we go. So we're making our way to the keyhole, and we've come a little bit down the trail here. We have taken the keyhole loop at this point, and there is this middle step area.
Mom, I don't care if it's the dial.
Here you go. Here it is, you guys. We have made it to the keyhole. Oh my goodness. And we've made it to the other side. Wow, the temperature does drop.
This is like 40 degrees, and it's like so cold. Yes. I just want to stay here now.
It's like an AC.
I just want to sit here. Come here, quickly. I found out. I was like, what is that? And then I felt it. I was like, oh, they're so cold.
You can feel it right there.
Oh, and you can hear the water.
There's frogs in there.
There's frogs.
Yeah, frogs.
Oh my word, it is so cold.
It's like having an AC in your car.
You definitely should come here. So then,
It's
once you
90,
hike down
92
here,
degrees outside.
And once you've been
This
so
feels like I'm
hot,
sitting in front of the...
A refrigerator.
Yeah.
Wow.
my.
So we're
How deep does that go?
right across. You can't even see it anymore. That's where the keyhole was. We have walked through it, following the trail, just to the other side.
And I found this out.
It's the outdoor air conditioning unit.
Yep.
And it's awesome. It feels so good today. I think we're just going to chill out here for a little bit. We'll get back to you shortly. Okay.
I have never felt that cold in ages.
Oh, that felt so cold, didn't it?
That felt like
So back through the keyhole, back onto the trail. Here we go.
that. I'm pretty-
Another teepee.
That's the same one.
It's not the same one.
Yes, it is.
This one's got little logs all around it. Oh, and you can see Navitat up through the trees.
Alexis, there's where we're going to step off to do the zip line.
Oh, wow, you guys.
Look out, that's where we're going
See
to
where
have to step off.
He came out of that big bird
Oh my
nest.
goodness.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Work here. Hello. So you got to go across that.
What if I fell?
You're locked in.
You're locked
If you
in.
fall, you're,
If I fall, I'm going to be hanging here. Look.
yeah.
You see these? These are keeping me up here. You want me to show you? You want me to show you?
Yeah.
Oh no! See? Pay attention where you're walking.
See? So he's hooked in. He's made it all the way across.
Y'all ready?
Don't
Here he
go.
goes. Here he goes.
Woo! I want to go on that.
So in an effort to preserve the Ijams family legacy and just keep this area as something that everybody would be able to enjoy, in 1966, along with the Knoxville Garden Club and the city council, they went ahead and purchased the land here, and it became a park for everybody to enjoy in 1968. So we have definitely enjoyed our time here today. The question is, to Navitat or not to Navitat? More to come, you guys. Thanks for joining us on the trail today. We hope you've liked our family adventure. Please like and subscribe. We would love to have you join us on some of our other family adventures. Some more here to come in Knoxville, some more to come in the Great Smoky Mountains, and trips across the U.S.